Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Crispina. Today's look is like this natural glam look. It's kind of like a get ready with me for a photo shoot look. That's why I'm rushing so I can even get there on time. I'm having some slight texture issues. Whatever, I'm just going with it. But yeah, here's today's look. I pretty much did like a talk through video, and I haven't done a talk through makeup video in I don't know how long. But yeah, like and subscribe if you like what you see, or if you're returning, welcome, and if you're new, welcome. Okay, so I recently, and I'm getting over sickness, so excuse my voice, but I recently, well, for Black Friday they had a sale, so I bought some of this NYX primer oil. It was like a 30% off sale, and then they gave me a free sponge, and then this mascara. I'm gonna try out 3 of these today. It actually like got really a lot bigger, so let's see how this works. I have like an hour to do like a natural beat. She said she just wanted like very minimal like eyeshadow, like very natural. For photo shoots I pretty much do like the same look anyway, like usually browns, oranges, gold. So my face, I did a face mask earlier. I'm breaking out a little bit, so I mean it helped a little bit texture wise. My eyes aren't that puffy today, so I'm not even gonna mess with any of it. And then all my makeup is still packed. I didn't even do my makeup over Thanksgiving break, so it's all in bags right now. But for moisturizer, I'm using the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. For brows, I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics Studio Pro HD Brow Pencil in Ebony. This is the darkest one. I bought this before. This is also something I bought on Black Friday deal. So now my brows are pretty much filled in, and I'm just gonna go in with, I'm gonna use this BH Cosmetics Studio Pro number 13 brush. It's like very skinny and stiff. My Anastasia Beverly Hills Dual Brow Powder, and just lightly just go in like the little spaces. This eyebrow pencil does a really good job of getting in my eyebrows. This is the number 11 brush, which is like a concealer brush. And for concealer today, use this Morphe concealer in C235. Using the Take Me Back to Brazil brushes, number 8, this purple one, and I'm just gonna lightly, in like a circular form, pat this in. Taking the same brush, there's a little bit of leftover. I'm just gonna going in with the Take Me Back to Brazil. This is a number 7 brush. It's a very similar, but I think just a little bit more fanned out. I'm just gonna, this is I cleaned it earlier, just drag it upwards, so I'll get like that blend it out, more of a smoky type of. This is bothering me. The concealer is kind of wet right here. Like really soft looking. I'm gonna go in with the Take Me Back to Brazil. This is a number 9 brush, and then take this shade Escape in the same palette, which is a brown with like a kind of like a hint of like an orange tint. And then going in with that original brush that I stamped the orange off with, I'm just going to lightly blend in between so it doesn't look so obvious how I place the color. I'm going to take this shade Flash from this palette and I'm going to put it on the center of my lid, not too much. This also has an orange, and then going in with the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro number 9 brush, the flat brush, just so I can get my inner corners. Not necessarily like a cut crease, but just so it doesn't look awkward. Switching gears, I just got this. This is the NYX Hydra Touch Oil Primer, and I'm actually excited. But this has jojoba oil and almond oil in it, and it smells kind of good, so I like it. Like, this is like the stopper. Actually, I'm just going to go on with my Wet n Wild flat brush, my LA Pro Conceal and Cool Tan. I'm going to outline the tops of my eyebrows. I'm going in with that same BH Cosmetics number 5 brush. So far, I like this primer oil. And then my brows are kind of bothering me, so I'm just gonna go back in. And then to set my eyebrows, I'm using this Essence Make Me Eyebrow Gel Mascara that I need a new one because there's like hardly any left. Alright, now my primer oil has set in a little bit better, so I'm going to start with the face to color correct underneath my eyes. This Wet n Wild flat brush, and using my Makeup Forever 5 Camo Cream palette in this peach shade that I've hit the pan on. The cream concealer, I'm just going to use my finger because it warms the product up. This Wet n Wild Caramel Photo Focus Foundation, and I feel like I'm already getting like lighter than this. An e.l.f. buffing foundation brush. Concealer, I want to use this ColourPop No Filter Foundation in medium 28, and I'm kind of mixing these formulas. So on the back of your hands, just to clean up the eye look a little. Now I'm gonna try this. It's way too wet. When I do photo shoots, I do minimal powder using this Black Gradient True Complexion Loose Setting Powder and this big old Take Me Back to Brazil #1 brush. And then there's still some on the back of my hand. Alright, so for contour, I found my new contour brush. This is the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro #19 brush. I'm going to use the Pacifica Bronzer and Sunkissed. Then to help me blend out a little bit more, just Take Me Back to Brazil #2 brush, which is like a curved contour brush. going with this Take Me Back to Brazil number 5 brush. And in this BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette, I'm going to use Trixie and a little bit of Spirit. I'm gonna go like simple but pretty with this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting and Precious Petals. On the BH Cosmetics is my Rare number 5 brush. The NYX Worth the Hype mascara, which also was a free sample with my purchase for Black Friday. And first of all, look at this mascara wand. It just looks like it would do something. Typically when I do photo shoots, I don't wear fake lashes. Do y'all see that? Good, I like this mascara. And then to finish off my natural look, I'm going to go in with this Nika K Pure Lip Oil Jojoba Argan Oil and Vitamin E lip gloss. I'm not gonna lie, I low-key feel like this dries my lips out, and that's because the first ingredient is mineral oil, but I'm not gonna talk crap. And yeah, I'm gonna give you some up closeness.